वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Yes, slowly open your eyes. In the previous class, we discussed about some grammar, that is noun and the different types of nouns, that is proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, common noun. Yes, there are 4 types of nouns are there in the noun. You know which are those. Today I am going to teach you the activity sheet number 1. It is on page number 62. Open page number 62 in your English textbook. There is another part called language and grammar. Okay, activity sheet 1. First, the heading is combine these sentences using who, that or because. By using these words, we need to combine the 2 sentences. How to make 2 sentences? By combining the word, we can make that 1 sentence. How? Example, I will tell you. Read the sentences. Little Joris was the son of a poor widow. This is 1 sentence. And another sentence is, the poor widow lived in a small cottage at the edge of a great forest. Here, 2 sentences they had given, and the poor widow is repeated 2 times. The same word is repeated 2 times in these 2 sentences. Now, we need to add who word by combining the sentences. How? See here. Little Joris was the son of a poor widow who lived in a small cottage at the edge of a great forest. Here, instead of the using poor widow 2 times, one time they used poor widow and another next time they used who. Then the two sentence became the 1 sentence by adding the who. Yes, like that you need to do the other sentences given over here in your textbook by adding the who, that, because. I will read the first sentence. We saw a temple. The temple was more than 1,000 years old. We saw a temple is 1 sentence. Next, a temple is was 1,000 years old. Okay, next, how you need to combine? Which word you will use? Who, that, because. Who, that, because. Which word you use to combine the sentences? We saw a temple. That temple was more than 1,000 years old. So here we need to add that. Instead of using the temple 2 times, I used here only 1 time. We saw the temple that was more than 1,000 years old. That was more than 1,000 years old. Yes. Next. Second one, I came very late to school. 1 sentence. I had to wait a long time for the bus. I came very late to school. I had to wait for the bus. So how to make these sentence combined? I will tell you. I came very late to school because I had to wait a long time for the bus. By adding the because, the second one you need to add because. I came very late to school. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. Because ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕಾಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Because I had to wait for the bus for a long time. So here we need to add because. Next, this is the boy. The boy is joining our class. This is the boy. The boy is joining our class. Means here I am writing only answers. You need to write full sentences. I will show you how. This is the boy. This is the boy who is joining our class. Who is joining our class? See here. This is the boy who is joining our class. Here, instead of using the boy again, I used who. Here, who means that boy. This is the boy who is joining our class. By adding the who, I did only one sentence. Two sentences became now one sentence. Next, patients in a hospital are sick people. They need careful attention. They need careful attention. Here, patients in a hospital are sick people that they need careful attention. Here we need to add that. Okay. So, by adding these words, you need to combine the given sentences. Understood? Yes. Now, we'll move to the next page. Turn the page. That is, rewrite these sentences changing the forms of the highlighted words as shown in the example. Here, they have highlighted some words. You need to generate the form the other sentences. Rewrite the sentences changing the forms. Okay. Which form they have changed? Which form they have changed? Okay. When the cold winter began, oatmeal and flour became dear. When the cold winter began, oatmeal and flour became dearer. Dear ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dearer ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So next ಉಳಿದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Yes, students, see here. They have said the first one is example they had given and the second one is for. This word is highlighted. Yes, it is in the blue color. Isn't it? Okay. He walked far into the deep forest. He walked far into the deep forest. ಈ far ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಾರರ್. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? he walked farther into the deep forest. He walked farther into the deep forest. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಫಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೂರ, ಫಾರರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೂರ, ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡೀಪ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ? ಲಿಟಲ್ ಜೋರಿಸ್ ಹೋದ. ಸೊ he walked farther into the deep forest. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾರರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? The rainfall became heavy. The rainfall became heavy. Here the heavy word is highlighted. It is in the blue color. So you need to change the heavy highlighted word. You need to change that because the rainfall became heavier. So heavy ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? heavier ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. The rainfall became heavier. Next, the train went fast. Fast is highlighted. Fast highlighted. So the train went faster. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. The train went fast. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Faster. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ER ಹಚ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ER ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Far, farther, heavy, heavier. I added here IER. Next, fast, faster. The train went faster. Next, another last one is there. As he read the letter, he became happy. So here the happy word is highlighted. Here the happy word is highlighted. See here, it is in the blue color. So as he read the letter, he became happier. He became happier. Yes, he read the letter. He became happier. 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 Okay? Happy ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Happier. As he read the letter, he became happier. Understood? All of you getting my point? What I am telling? Understanding? Yes. So, dear students, write down these answers in your textbook. Page number 63. Copy this. Next, fill in the blanks with nothing, something, everything, or anything. Here they have given these some fill in the blanks. 4 fill in the blanks they are given. So by using these words you need to enter fill that blanks. Okay. Which is the first one? I went to get something from the shop. So here you need to add something. I don't know what to buy. I am going to shop. I am buying something. So I went to get something from the shop. The answer is something. ನಾನು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಂಟೇನಿ ಏನೋ ತರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಟೀನಿ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು, ಏನಾದರೂ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, second one, the shopkeeper did not have anything in his shop. Anything. The shopkeeper did not have anything in his shop. So anything. A shopkeeper shop ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಶಾಪ್. ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್, ನಾನು ಏನೋ ತರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಶಾಪ್. ಆ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, he had sold everything in his shop was empty. Everything, ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ? ಅವ್ನ ಶಾಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅವನದು ಶಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು? ಎಂಟಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. he had sold everything in his shop was empty. ಸೊ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ? it will become empty. so he sold everything. Next, fourth one, I came back with nothing from the shop because I had no money. I came back with nothing from the shop because I had no money. ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ದೇನೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಥಿಂಗ್. I came back with nothing. ಖಾಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದು, ಎಂಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮನಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I had no money. Understood? See, something ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು, ನಥಿಂಗ್, ಖಾಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, in a dictionary all the words are written in the alphabetical order. Arrange each group of words in the alphabetical order. So I hope you all have dictionary in your home. Have you seen the dictionary? How it is arranged words in the dictionary? It is arranged as a alphabetic wise. Means, for example, you wanted to search some word, something. For example, you want to know the meaning of emperor. ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ನೀವು ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಇ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಡ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ವರ್ಡ್, ಸಿ, ಡಿ, ಇ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಈವನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎರಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು? ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿನ ನೋಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನಾನ್, ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್, ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಮಿನಟ್, ಫೀಟ್, ಎಲಿಗೇಟರ್, xylophone. So I won't do this. This is your homework. Open the dictionary, search it out, or as you know already, you know alphabets. Now you are in the 5th standard. So according to the alphabetical order, you arrange these words. Which word comes first? Which word is next? Which word is third one? Which word is fourth? Like that, how it is arranged in the dictionary, like that you need to arrange these words in your home. Alphabetically. Okay? Okay, dear students. Now today's class is completed. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.